Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we back with another GXP video, and today we got another mod for it. What you got? Oh yeah, and Merry Christmas to all y'all.
We got some aftermarket headlights right here, you feel me?
Hell yeah.
New boys.
Good little Christmas gift.
Shout out for the Christmas gift.
Sure. How that?
From the OG.
Hell yeah. Look at them.
Butter.
Them boys finna look sweet. What y'all think? It's way better than these.
Oh yeah, way better.
These boys
look like shit.
Yeah, these boys starting to turn yellow and shit. And then we got the little LED bulbs. No, nothing too special. Some LED bulbs. Should be all crystal white. Turn them on. Here's a before. I was gonna give you a before of what it looked like at night, but yeah, I need to see that. Just know they whack. Are you finna see them look?
Whack.
Yep, just yellow. Nothing too special, but finna get started. Go ahead, pop this hood. Yes, sir. Big 5.3, everything still holding up to this day. It's just a 10mm bolt, Segun. You just take these off and put this tab up, and it should just come right out of the place. I'm finna go ahead and remove these two. Swear. It's kind of cold out here. It ain't too bad. I mean, for Christmas Day.
Go put on a big jacket.
Nah, straight. Shit. It's Christmas today, and it ain't even white. It ain't even a white Christmas. It's about 45 degrees out here.
Of snow on the floor.
I swear. It's gloomy as hell out. This is depressing ass Christmas. But now, you just gotta put this tab up. It's gonna be hard. There we go. And then the whole headlight should just pop out now. Try to wiggle it up. Yes, sir.
Gang.
Alright, let me go ahead and disconnect this connector and pop off the other headlight. God damn, this little tab on this side hard as hell. Headlight delete.
The fuck? It popped out a little bit.
I don't know. Oh, there we go. Alright, now just let me see. You just gotta play with it. Let me see. Oh, never mind. That's how it go. Now you just gotta play with it for real. Put the other side. You gotta pop out this little connector. So they both out with the old one's out already.
Dude. That boy blind right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me just go ahead and install these LED bulbs.
Dirty motherfucker right here.
Install these boys. Hopefully these fit.
Shit, they should. Damn. Damn. That bitch right there.
Yeah.
These boys. It was about time these boys had to go. It was way overdue.
Yeah. We're gonna have to see what we're gonna do about the fog light bulbs, because we gotta take off all the bottom clips and shit.
Shit, we're gonna have to get some shit working.
Yeah. Look at them boys. Them boys sweet.
Dude, I just sold them boys.
High beams.
$300 over there, just sitting pretty but dirty. Los yonques.
using right now.
SRT Jeep just sitting there. Got them boys in.
LED bulbs
Everything
in.
slapped in.
Yes, sir. You gotta plug in these little connectors.
A ver.
Magic. Bada bang.
Damn, someone called me.
Let's slide these hoes on. I'm surprised they ain't coming like no little clear shit.
We're gonna get rid of this boy too. Stay tuned.
For the next
Shit box right there.
Get a far shot.
Oh yeah, good plan. That bitch look wet.
Before we do anything, though, we gotta make sure they work.
Oh yeah. Here,
How you doing?
here. Or just slide the thing right here. Yup. Dude, bitch look cold.
Quit playing.
Ooh shit.
Quit playing with them.
Ooh shit. Little side shot right here. Ooh shit.
Hey, look, alright, turn them off so we can get this shit done.
This boy just needs some new shoes for real. Little dusty OEM boys right there.
Needs some new shoes and some little TLC.
This boy need everything. But if I was up $1 million, trust me, this boy would be fixed all the way through. But we getting there. Slowly but surely, you feel me?
There we go. Where the bolts at? So she's in. That's it. That's all it is to it. For real, just two bolts, two 10mm bolts, and then you just gotta slide this up, and then just play with it a little bit, and the whole headlight just come out.
Hell yeah.
It's really the easiest headlights I've ever done.
That shit was easy as hell. You just did this shit in like 5 minutes.
I swear. Shit, we finna go ahead and just throw on the other one.
And then get back to it once we throw the other one on.
With the full shot of the car complete.
Alright.
So both of them on, they're looking good, man. What?
Tell me if you found the LED strip.
Alright. We ever messing with them? Oh yeah. Look at that, just the rings on. Hold on, close the hood. That shit looks sweet. It look way better in person.
Way better in person.
Man, what? Yeah, that shit looks sweet. Fat ass GXP and shit. What y'all think? I think it was a good choice on picking these out.
Hey, these are the halos. We went with these.
Yeah, everybody be doing them halos. You gotta switch it up on these
I
folks.
don't like the look of them halos. Them
Nah.
whack.
Swear. These sweet. Just something slight little strip.
A little simple, but look cold.
Hell yeah. We got full LEDs on the front, except for those amber ones at the bottom.
Yeah, we need to change them, boy. Them look horrible.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got these two, the little fog lights.
Oh, damn.
Hell yeah.
We gonna get them all right, though.
Mm-hmm. Had to get Big Bro here to look at them. What you think of them?
Yeah, looks like a new farm.
This is what they look like with the bulbs on. That shit looks sweet. Now we just gotta get rid of these old ass OEM tail lights. $20, come get them. I'm playing. Throw these in the box. Alright, y'all, so here's the finished product of what they look like at night. This is just with just the rings on. What you think? You happy with the finished product?
Yeah, that shit look wet as hell.
Hell yeah. Let us know what y'all think. Good little headlight upgrade for the GXP. Turn on the headlight, like the bulbs, so you can see how bright they is. I think it looks sweet. I would definitely recommend these headlights on any GXP. They look better than any of the other ones. Any other aftermarket headlights. Look at that, them hoes bright as hell. Shit. You ain't got nothing to say? Shit looks sweet.
I just like the outcome of that shit. I really ain't got much to say. That shit let me speechless.
For real. But shit, we got more content coming soon on this. We got some shit cooking up already. Some little mods. Y'all just gonna have to wait for the next video. Y'all just gotta stay tuned for the next video. For real shit. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.